Ever wondered why those pounds just won't budge despite all the sweat and sacrifice? Today, we're diving into the 5 secrets to effective and sustainable weight loss. First up, we're busting the myth that all calories are created equal. It's not just about quantity, but quality too. Whole foods packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats keep you fuller for longer and fuel your body much better than processed foods with the same calorie count. So tip 1, choose your calories wisely. The second secret is not so secret, but often overlooked. Water. Hydration plays a vital role in every bodily function, including metabolism. Drinking enough water helps your body function at its best, burns calories more efficiently, and even curbs hunger. So tip 2, don't forget to hydrate. Now, on to secret number 3, sleep. It's not just about getting enough hours, it's about quality sleep. Poor sleep or irregular sleep patterns can mess with your body's hunger hormones, leading to increased appetite and weight gain. So the third tip, prioritize good sleep. The fourth secret is about movement, but not the kind you're thinking. It's about everyday activity, not just gym workouts. Walking more, taking the stairs, doing chores. These low-intensity activities burn calories without straining your body or eating into your schedule. So tip 4, incorporate more movement into your daily routine. Finally, the fifth secret, consistency. Weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle, not drastic temporary diets. So the final tip is to be consistent with your healthy habits. In summary, the secrets to effective weight loss are choosing quality calories, staying hydrated, prioritizing good sleep, incorporating more movement into your daily life, and being consistent with your healthy habits. It may sound like a lot, but remember, small steps can lead to big changes, so start small and stay consistent. After all, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.